You don't struggle with discipline because you're lazy. You struggle with it because you can't even trust your own words. You always tell yourself that you will wake up early, you will go to the gym, you will start a project, you will start a business, you will start a side hustle, and you never do it. You never do what you say you're going to do. And every time you break a promise to yourself, your brain learns it, your brain stores it in the subconscious mind, and it continues that loop, that cycle of you now doing the things. And it destroys your confidence, it destroys your self-trust. Because confidence, if you think about it, confidence is not hype, it's not motivation, it's not some absurd thing. It's self-trust. And self-trust comes from keeping your own word, doing what you say you're going to do every single time. Because of me, for example, I used to be in that loop. I was inside the loop before. I used to say things and not follow through. And every time I didn't, I felt weaker, weaker, and weaker mentally. Not because of the task, it can be some basic ass task, but because I broke my own trust. And you need to start small. You need to start small. For example, tomorrow I'm going to wake up at 8 a.m. And you wake up at 8 a.m., you stand up, you go to drink some water, you start your routine, blah blah blah. And not, oh, I set my alarm at 8 o'clock. Okay, I wake up, and then you hit snooze and you sleep again. Because I used to do that. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. I used to wake up, check my phone. It's early. I turn everything off and I go back to sleep. No, you can't do that. If you say you're going to go to the gym, if you say you're going to go and run, you need to do it. Because that's how self-trust is rebuilt. And you don't need, like, truly, you don't even need more motivation. You need to become someone who your future self can trust, who can your future self believe in. Because at the end of the day, if you can't trust yourself, who even will trust you? No business partner, no millionaire, even not your partner. Nobody will trust you if you can't trust yourself. And if you want real confidence, you need to start keeping your word to yourself every single day.